This training is provided to enhance your knowledge of the P106074 and P106063 fault codes related to clutch damage. One of the costliest events for a driver is downtime. While normal wear and tear is expected, there are things that drivers can do to prevent specific types of wear and damage to some vehicle components. Let's look at the P106074 fault code. Referred to as the hill holding fault, surprisingly, this fault is commonly logged on flat ground due to driver behavior. This fault occurs when the driver removes their foot from the brake and places it lightly on the accelerator without pressing down enough to fully engage the clutch and move forward. Instead, the light pressure causes the clutch to only partially engage. The fault code message appears. Clutch protection is active. Release throttle pedal. The truck struggles and almost stalls, before eventually moving forward. This common behavior of resting one's foot on the accelerator results in a P106074 fault code, which warns drivers about increased potential for damage to the clutch and flywheel. However, this damage is preventable. Instead of resting their foot on the accelerator in anticipation of movement, the driver should keep their foot on the brake until they are ready to move. Then depress the accelerator firmly to provide enough engine torque to engage the clutch efficiently with a minimum of clutch slippage. This behavior reduces potential flywheel damage and repair costs. Let's look at another scenario. The P106063 fault code is a signal for extreme damage to the clutch. This fault occurs when a driver begins moving in a higher gear upon start. This code is especially prone to occurring when the driver is pulling a heavy trailer, starting uphill or on loose terrain, in a high gear. When the driver begins in too high of a gear, the P106063 fault code appears. This fault code can also occur when moving a vehicle in too high of a gear, slowly, through soft soil, where the driver is constantly on and off the throttle, not allowing the clutch to fully engage. The driver sees a notice that clutch load is high. Release throttle pedal. This means the use of the clutch is causing potential damage and overheating. Again, this could result in downtime and expensive repairs. Once again, this damage is preventable. Drivers and fleet managers can easily prevent this fault code from appearing by doing two things. First, make sure to start their vehicles in the lowest gear, especially if starting with a heavy trailer load or on loose terrain like sand. Second, fleet managers can restrict the max start gear in automatic and manual mode. The start gear can be adjusted or limited by using Tech Tool to change customer parameter settings in both the fleet and premium shifters. By being conscious of these codes and behaviors, we can all work together to prevent damage and downtime. Thanks for watching.